What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while. In today's video, I want to update you guys. Many things has changed since the last time I made a video in English. And guys, I have a job now. You know that before I didn't have a job, but now I have it. And thank God, I can work now. And I'm working in a I don't know how to say it in English, but in Spanish it's like a door and window workshop where we make windows and doors. It's like a workshop, you know. And so grateful because now I have the opportunity to work at a job. I'm a day trader, but I still don't make consistent money from it. So a job will finance my skill. Now I have a new source of income, and right now I'm on my way to my job, and I work from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I come back at 12, at noon to eat to my house, and then I clock in at 2 p.m. again. So but yeah, guys, I'm just so glad and grateful to God for a new job, for new opportunity, and that money that I'm making, I'm stacking it up, to then invest it in myself. I'm saving it. I'm not spending it on bullshit like my workmate, do. I'll take that money and put it in myself. I'll bet on myself because I know I'm gonna make it back, and show you guys in a few clips how the workshop looks like. The workshop, looks like. And for me, this is a good job because it's near my house. It's close to my house, and it's like 5 minutes away from my. It's like 8 minutes away, and it's kind of near. So, guys, I'm almost getting to it. So, I'm gonna stop the video right now because I'm almost getting to the job. And see you guys on the next video.
Pero es ahora, que puede esperar y me busca los materiales, me va a pasar, yo estoy a pie. Pero se lo tiene negro. Negro, una vez. No,